So we want to check to see how charged the battery is. So if you look on this, so I slid this out a little bit. If you look on this, you can see that it basically says the minimal charge is 3.6 volts and the limited charging voltage is 4.2 volts. So fully charged would be about 4.2 volts. So it says it right here on the battery. And this battery pack model number is A-10F. So we're just going to check the voltage of this battery to try to figure out how charged it is. Remember, maximum charge for this battery pack is 4.2 volts. Okay, so I'm just going to pull back the tape. All right, pull back the tape. I have my multimeter right here. As you can see, we are going to put it on volts. Okay, we're going to put it on 20 as the maximum voltage that this can read. We're not going to get anywhere near that because we're looking for at least, we are looking for a maximum of 4.2 volts. So that's just kind of how we set the multimeter up. So right here, and got the leads. We'll put it on each side of the battery, and I'm getting a reading of 4.02. Right, and let's make sure you guys can see that. So here we go. Let me turn it to where you can see it. So here we go. So put that lead on that side of the battery. So here we go. You can really see it then. There. So there we go. Let me get it on there. So 4.02. So I would say this is about 90% charged. Or yeah, probably about 90% charged, because the maximum charge is 4.20. So this thing has enough juice to be able to operate our camera. All right. So that's just a quick way to see kind of where your battery is as far as like battery power is and how much is charged up. Because like I said before, this thing won't sync. So that's kind of a manual way to figure out how charged up the battery is.